So we're trying to tell the time between the hours the clock faces. The first answer, the number one. What's your answer to number one? How many hours? How many minutes?
Okay.
How many hours? How many minutes? What's your answer to number one?
No, 2 hours and 10 minutes.
Okay, 10 minutes. Then what about number two? What's your answer to number two? What's your answer to number two? Just read it for me so I can put it in.
1 hour, 20 minutes.
1 hour, 20 minutes. And number three. Yes.
Yeah.
Number three. Oh, you're doing something there. You're not concentrating.
1 hour, 40 minutes.
Okay. 1 hour, 40 minutes. So if we look at the
Mhm.
first clock phase, we have this is on 5 o'clock. So if it moves to 6 into 7, that's 2 hours.
Okay.
Then we have 10 minutes. So that means you're correct. Then the second one, let's see, from 9 to 10:10, that's an hour. Then it lands on half an hour, so 20 minutes.
Mm.
1 hour, 20 minutes. Then the that one is correct too. Then the next one we have from 1:20 to 3 o'clock. So 1:20 to 2:20, that's an hour. Then 40 minutes. So that's 1 hour, 40 minutes. And to the other one, so that's also correct. And to the other ones that you did not see, this is 4:40 to 5:30. So what do you think
Mhm.
the elapsed time is? What's the elapsed time for this number four?
Let me see. And that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 5, 10, 15, 30, 35, 40, 40, 40. Let me see. Um, uh, see, 7:30, 20 minutes, which would make it 5. I'll say, wait, 20 minutes
Mm-hmm.
and 20 minutes. That's at 5. 20 minutes and 1 hour.
1 hour. Okay, what about the last one?
Let me see. 5, 10, 60, 60, 55, 55. Uh, Max. 9, 13, 9, 13. Let me see. Yeah. 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Mhm.
Making that 7 o'clock and 2 hours. 5 minutes, 2 hours.
2 hours, 5 minutes. So let's check it together now and see whether it's correct or incorrect. From this is 4:40 and this is 6:30. So we have from 4:40 to 5:40, an hour to 6:40 will be 2 hours. Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
but this is 6:30. So what we can say is that we can say 6:30 minus 4:40, and 30 minus 40 is not possible. So we borrow an hour. This becomes 5. The an hour that we borrow is 60 minutes plus 30 minutes. That's 90 minutes minus 40 minutes. That's 50 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
Then 5 minus 4 hours. That's 1 hour. So it will be 1 hour, 50 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
So take note of that. Then the other one, let's check the time. The time on this one is 9:30 because it's to 10. So 9:30 minus the previous time, which is 6:55. 6:55. So we have 30. Are you following this? Are you concentrating? Are you concentrating?
Yeah,
Hello?
I am.
Okay.
I'm here.
So 30 minus 55 is not possible. We borrow 1. This is 8 hours. Then the 1 is a 90. So 90 minus 50, that's 40. Then that's minus 5, that's 45. I mean 35, okay?
Okay.
35 minutes. And 8 minus 6 is 2. So it's 2 hours. 2 hours, 35 minutes. Is that clear?
Yeah.
So I'm going to give you time to write this, but before you write the correction, let's quickly look at rounding numbers. Okay,
Okay.
that's under approximation. Rounding numbers. We could we could either round up or round down. Okay,
Okay.
round what? Up or round down. So when do we round up? When the digit after the digit we're considering or after the place value we're considering is between 5 to 9, we round up. But when do we round down? When the digit after the place value we're considering is between 0 and 4, we round down. Okay?
No.
For example, we say round, that's example 1, round 3,182 to the nearest 10. Okay? To the
Okay.
nearest what? 10.
10.
So what number is under the place value 10? This is unit and this is 10. What number is under place value 10?
Uh, 8.
8. So I have 3,182. I want to round it up to nearest 10. I'm stopping at 8. But when I get to that 8, I have to check what's the digit after the 8? That's 2, right?
2. Yeah.
So it falls between these, okay?
Okay.
So I'm going to round it down. So this is going to be 80, not 90 to the nearest 10. Because when you're counting in tens, you have you have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So after 80 should be 90, yes or no?
Yes.
But this is 82. So it's not even halfway. If it's 85 and above, I can take it to 90, which is the next 10. Exactly.
Yes.
So I have to take it back. That is a rounding down. Okay, let's consider another example. What if we have to round the same number to the nearest 100? round 3182 to the nearest hundred, nearest 100. What is the number at the place value 100?
Uh,
What is the number at the place value 100?
one.
1. So this is the place value 100, 1. So I'm stopping on 1. So that means 3182 is going to be 3. Then I want to consider whether I keep my 1 or I change my 1. What's the number after the 1?
8.
What's the number after the 1?
8.
8. So it fall here, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to change the value of the 1 to become 2. Then the rest becomes 0. Is that clear?
Yeah.
So 182 has been rounded up to 200, not 100. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so that is how to do rounding. You just consider the place value you are given, and I'm going to give you some sort of exercise to do now. I'm going to round these numbers. Uh, okay, let's say you're just going to round them yourself to the nearest 10, nearest 100, and nearest 1,000. So I'll give you,
Mhm.
I'll just show you the first line then. So can you see this page now?
Yeah.
Okay. So to the nearest 10, that's first line. The number in the nearest 10, the placed value 10 is what? For the
8.
first for the
No,
first
I mean
number,
6. 6.
6. So the number after 8 is a 3, so it's fall between 0 and 4. We don't have to change the value of the 6, okay?
Okay.
So we have 17,860. So it's
Mhm.
rounded down. What about the same number to the nearest 100? What number is in the place value 100? Let me use another color to write this.
8.
8, okay, so 17,860. So for the 8, what's the number after the 8?
7.
What's the number after the 8, not before the 8?
6.
6. So it falls from 5, between 5 to 9, so we round up. So we change the 8, it becomes 9. So that will be 17,900. Is that clear?
Yes.
And to the nearest 1,000, what's the number in the place value 1,000?
Oh, 7.
7. So what's the number after it? That's a 8 and it falls here again. So we change it and it becomes
Yeah.
18,000. So you have to take note of this. Then you're going to do the remaining ones for me. Is that clear?